We got something to say. You know? It's one of those joints here. Yolanda? Yeah. Check us out. You know? It's time to change. Yolanda?
It's been too long, it's time to change. Can't get away with everything. Please tell me why you wait. You gotta answer for yourself someday. It's been too long, it's time to change. I can't get away with everything. Please tell me why you wait. You gotta answer for yourself someday. A man that I know from the neighborhood. Whenever I see him, he's up to no good. Taking from others to get what he wants, and he thinks that there's no way he'll ever get caught. It's been too long, it's time to change. Can't get away with everything. Tell me why you wait. You gotta answer, gotta answer. It's been too long, it's time to change. Can't get away with everything. Can't get away. Why you wait? You gotta answer for yourself someday. Husband and wife, a baby girl, they're happy. But then there is a woman from down the street, writing letters and sending pictures and doing all she can, trying hard to gain the attention of a married man. Girl, you're wrong now. Too long, it's time to change. Too long, with everything. Get away. Tell me why you wait. You gotta answer for yourself someday. It's been too long, it's time to change. Get away with everything. Tell me, child, why you waiting? Why you waiting for yourself someday? Your story is I'm just a kid and it's all in fun. You never stop to realize you're hurting someone. How would you feel if everything was turned around and every day somebody was putting you down? Oh, too long, time to change. Can't get away. You gotta answer for yourself someday. Too long, time to change. Can't get away with everything. You gotta answer. What you gonna say about your wicked ways? Oh, yeah. You gotta answer for yourself. What you gonna do when it comes for you? Oh, you gotta answer. Someday you gotta answer. Someday you gotta answer. Someday you gotta answer. Someday you gotta answer for yourself someday.